Okay, today we have Handy Laundry sheep wool dryer balls. They're 100% New Zealand wool. The packaging says it softens clothes, shortens dryer time, reduces static, decreases wrinkles, and removes odor. There is an option to add essential oils to the dryer balls to boost the scent inside the dryer.
Have you done that before?
No, I've never done that. Okay, another thing it does is it increases the flow of hot air in your dryer and your laundry dries faster, saving time, energy, and money.
How does it increase the flow of hot air?
It just kind of moves the clothes around better in the dryer. Instead of being all kind of matted down together, they can more freely move inside the dryer. Now the directions on this particular item say to place the dryer balls in the dryer together with your laundry, which is what I normally do. It also suggests that you use 3 to 4 balls for a small to medium load and 5 to 6 balls for a large load.
Are they heavy like a tennis ball or a baseball?
No, they're lighter weight than a tennis ball.
Wow, they're big. Okay, a little bit lighter. A little bit more softer than a tennis ball. New Zealand wool, 100%.
Okay, although the instructions say to use 5 to 6 balls for a large load, I usually don't do that because I feel like having a large amount of clothes inside the dryer, the clothes or the material in the dryer moves more freely and moving against each other and dries fairly well. If you don't have, too many items in there, it's overstuffed. I generally use these when I don't have many items in the dryer, and that's because the dryer is as it's turning, the clothes are just, if there's not many in there, they're just flopping down against each other, which will yield more wrinkles in the clothing. So generally when I'm drying, if it's just a few items, I usually put probably all 6 balls in there at one time, even with a very small number of clothing, because I feel like it'll help move it around better. Okay, so I have a few clothes in here, not many. It's probably only about maybe 5 to 6 pieces of clothing. I'm going to put them in the dryer. I'm going to actually load all the balls.
Oh. You can definitely hear them.
Okay, now we'll check on the clothes. All right, they're pretty much dry. They're definitely not wrinkled. I think they definitely help keep clothes from wrinkling, especially when there's only a few clothes in there.
Now we're going to do a control test. We have, let's say, medium to large load of colors, jeans, workout clothes, that kind of stuff, shorts. And we always run that load. Speed dry, 40 minutes, and ultra low. And that dries most everything except a couple of the all cotton t-shirts and the blue jeans. They stay just a tiny bit damp, so we're going to see how that works in terms of dry time. We'll leave it on the same time, but see if it dries even more. Okay, let's see. Dry. Let's go right for the jeans. They're still a little moist, as usual. This t-shirt too. I don't notice a big change. I'm not sure I see a big difference. No. So I suppose I agree with the lady expert. Not a big difference with a lot of laundry. More difference when you have a little bit of laundry. These are all still normally moist.